In this video, we're going to review the index laws. So when we are multiplying with the same base factor, what we need to do is add the powers. So for example here, a squared multiplied by a to the power of 4. That would be a times a for a squared, multiplied by a 4 times for a to the power of 4. And what you'll find is that will be a to the power of 6. And what you'll notice, okay, we have 6 a's here, but if we just go 2 plus 4, that's the quicker method for us to get a to the power of 6. When we have the same base and we're dividing, we subtract the powers. So for example, a to the power of 6 divided by a squared. So I have a multiplied by itself 6 times, all over a multiplied by itself twice. So a multiplied by a. Now what I can do is start cancelling here. So when I cancel 1 from the bottom, I cancel 1 from the top. And that'll leave me with a to the power of 4. So again, if I just went 6 subtract 2, that'll give me 4. So now we have a power of a power rule. So we've got a to the power of m, all to the power of n. And what we do is we multiply there. So what this here means is a to the power of 6, all cubed, it means we've got that multiplied by itself 3 times. And if we add those 6's together, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus another 6 is 18. So a to the power of 18, or the other way we can look at it, is 6 times 3, gives us 18. So in this one, we've got AB all to the power of n. So that means it's a to the power of n, b to the power of n. And the next one, it's a over b to the power of n. So again, a to the power of n over b to the power of n. So first of all, we've got a to the power of 0. So anything to the power of 0 is going to equal 1. A to the power of negative 1, okay, that's going to be 1 over a. A to the power of negative 2 is going to be 1 over a squared. And finally, a to the power of negative n, that's going to be 1 over a to the power of n. Finally, we'll go through some questions. So we have 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of 4x. So what we need to do here is add the powers. So they are like terms, so the answer is going to be 3 to the power of 5x. The next one, we're going to use our power of a power rule. So we need to multiply the indices. So that'll give us 2 to the power of 6xy. And finally, another power of a power rule. Okay, so we've got a cubed. So we need to multiply that by 2 to get a to the power of 6. We square the 3, and we must also square the b. So that finally gives us a to the power of 6 all over 9b squared.